Welcome back to the Helium channel. My name is Tim. I got a kind of a crazy idea to get a miner up in a tree, a little different than the other one that I did, which was three 10-foot threaded poles, put together the antenna up on top of it, a 35-foot LMR cable, and then I hoisted that whole thing up 10 feet up into the tree, put it in the crux, zip tied it. Go look at the other video. Kind of a cool setup. Anyways, this was a little different. I didn't want to be climbing trees anymore. Got an idea that maybe this would work for some other people. So what I did was I decided to take this RAK Blackspot, and as you can see, I've got it tethered off. I've got a PoE injector and 3 lines, and those lines are going to go, one of them goes up there to that dead branch, one tethers down here to this post, Ethernet over there. There's my other SenseCap miner there, and then the last one goes to my left over here. But anyways, what I'm going to do is hoist that thing up there and then talk to you about some results. Okay, so here we go, up the tree. It's convenient that I had, I got a little tangle there. Now I got a lot of tangle. Apparently I'm tangling it the wrong way. There we go. Now see, the cool thing is that I already have it tied off on the other ends. So I just need to take and tie off this last side. There you go. And there's one RAK Blackspot mounted up in a tree. And it's actually been up there for almost 24 hours. It's done 0.15 HNT, which is really good for this particular area. I have the other miner that's back there attached to that antenna up over my head. That's a SenseCap M1, and it's doing 0.04. That's antenna's 27 feet off the ground. This tree, let's see if we can put me in the picture with it. There it is, I think, somewhere up there. It's a little bright out. Anyways, this tree is every bit of 50, maybe 60 feet high. Anyway, the way I got that up there was I took a drone and a fishing line, took the fishing line up with a heavy object attached to the other side, dropped it down. Then I took and brought the drone obviously back down, tied on the 3 cords and pulled them up over top, so I had, a double loop of length, and I tied off the miner. Now what's going to actually happen with this miner is it's going to go inside of an enclosure. Then I'm going to put a small solar panel on the face of the box to control put a little fan inside to draw some of the heat out. But right now, like I said, this miner's been sitting up here. Oops. Sorry, kind of a bad camera situation. But yeah, you can see that thing is out in the sun, and I went and grabbed it, and it's actually not hot at all. So anyways, to give you an idea of if you know how to use a drone and you want to put a miner up in a tree, take an enclosure box, do like I did, put a fan in the box just for a little bit of passive air cooling. See what it does. After I do the next step of this, I'll show you kind of the box up there, whatnot. I got to figure out if I'm going to camouflage it, because you can see this whole setup from the street. And right now, if you go out at night, you can see the lights from the PoE, and you can see the Helium Miner lights flickering from the Ethernet cable. See them flickering on and off. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Tim from the Helium Group. We like to do helium cryptocurrency mining. We do some other mining too, Chia, Block Create. I have a weather miner coming in soon. Anyways, love to do these kind of fun things. We've got some more things. We got a project that we're coming up where we're going to look at burying a miner underneath with a cooling system, hide it out in the middle of the desert, do some helium sensor for trafficking, those kinds of things. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Tim again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get notifications when I do new videos. Thanks for your time.